Advanced Functions. Grade 12. Unit 7. Trigonometric Identities and Equations. In this video, you will learn how to recognize equivalent trigonometric relationships, how to use compound angle formulas to determine the exact values of trigonometric ratios that involve sums, differences, and products of special angles, how to prove trigonometric identities, and how to solve trigonometric equations. We will treat all variables as real numbers. Complex numbers are not covered in this video. You need to remember the following trigonometric formulas for additions, subtractions, and double angles. You don't have to prove them each time you use them, just memorize them and use them. You can take a screenshot, or pause here and copy them. Now you have all the needed formulas to solve all the problems in this Unit 7, let's use some of them. Prove the following equations. Solutions. The formula for the sine of x minus y is sine of x cosine of y, minus cosine of x sine of y. Use this formula for the sine of pi divided by 2 minus x. The sine of pi divided by 2 is 1, and the cosine of pi divided by 2 is 0. Therefore, the right side is equal to the cosine of x. The formula of the cosine of x minus y is the cosine of x cosine of y plus the sine of x sine of y. Here again, the cosine of pi divided by 2 is 0, and the sine of pi divided by 2 is 1. So, the right side is equal to the sine of x. For the last one, just replace tangent with sine divided by cosine, and you will get cotangent x on the right side. Now look at these formulas. They are probably familiar to you if you watched our previous video. We're not going to prove them algebraically here, but you can try to do it like we did here with sines, cosines, and tangents of pi divided by 2 minus x. Write an expression that is equivalent to each of the following expressions, using the related acute angle. Solutions. Determine the exact value of each trigonometric ratio. Solutions. 11 pi divided by 12 you can write as 12 pi minus pi, divided by 12, which equals pi minus, pi divided by 12. The cosine of pi minus pi divided by 12 equals the negative cosine of pi divided by 12. You can write pi divided by 12 as pi divided by 4, minus pi divided by 6, then use the formula for cosine of x minus y. Simplify the expression and you'll get negative, the square root of 6 plus the square root of 2, divided by 4. The tangent of negative 5 pi divided by 12 equals the negative, tangent of 5 pi divided by 12. 5 pi divided by 12 can be written as a sum of pi divided by 4 and pi divided by 6. Now use the formula for a tangent of the sum of two angles. Simplify the expression. The answer for B is negative 2 minus the square root of 3. Simplify. A. Sine of pi plus x, plus sine of pi minus x. B. Cosine of x plus pi divided by 3, minus sine of x plus pi divided by 6. Solutions. Determine the value of a in the following equation. 2 tangent x minus tangent of 2x, plus 2a, equals 1 minus tangent of 2x, squared tangent of x. Solution. The answer is a equals 1/2. Prove that 1 plus tangent of x, divided by 1 plus cotangent of x equals 1 minus tangent of x, divided cotangent x minus 1. Solution. Find the difference between the left and right sides of the equation. Since the difference between the left and right sides is 0, the equation is true. Prove that cosine of x, of power 4, minus sine of x, of power 4, equals cosine of 2x. Solution. Prove that 1 plus tangent of x, divided by 1 minus tangent of x equals to tangent of x plus pi divided by 4. Solution. Use this formula for the tangent of the sum. Express 8 cosines of x, of the fourth power, in the form a, cosine of 4x, plus b, cosine of 2x, plus c. State the values of the constants a, b, and c. Solution. Crack down the cosine of 4x to see what you are looking for. Use a formula for the cosine of 2x. Now find 8 cosines of x, power 4. So, a is 1, b is 4, and c is 3. A city's daily high temperature, in degrees Celsius, can be modeled by the function d of d equals negative 28 cosine of 2 pi x divided by 365, where d is the day of the year and 1 equals January 1st. On days when the temperature is approximately 32 degrees Celsius or above, the air conditioners at City Hall are turned on. During what days of the year are the air conditioners running at City Hall? Solution. You need to find values of d for which d of d is greater than or equal to 32. Solve the inequation. If you divide or multiply both sides of an inequality by a negative number, the sign of the inequality will change to the opposite. The answer is, from about day 144 to about day 221. Solve the trigonometric equation, 2 sine of x cosine of x plus sine of x equals 0. Solution. The answer is 2 pi k and pi plus minus pi divided by 3, plus 2 pi k, where k is a whole number. Given that f of x equals tangent x, divided by 1 minus tangent x, minus, cotangent x, divided by 1 minus cotangent x, determine all the values of a in the interval a greater than or equal to 0, and less than or equal to 2 pi, such that f of x equals tangent of x plus a. Solution. Use this formula for the tangent of the sum of angles. Simplify the function f of x. As you see here, the tangent of a must be equal to 1. The possible values of a in the given interval are pi divided by 4, and 5 pi divided by 4. Solve 3 tangent 2x squared equals 1, where x is greater than or equal to 0 degree and less than or equal to 360 degrees. Solution. Since the interval for x is defined as from 0 to 360 degrees, the interval for 2x is between 0 and 720 degrees. Solve the equation for x greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 2 pi. Solution. Let cosine x equals t. Use the formula for the sum and product of roots of quadratic equations. The sum is equal to negative b divided by a, whereas the product of the roots is equal to c divided by a. In this example, a is equal to 1. Now replace t with cosine x and find the value of x. I'm going to end this video with the same list of formulas that I started this video with. I haven't changed the title of the topic because this section is only about the trigonometric formulas that you need to remember. Copy, print, and use them. The more you use them, the better you remember them. Good luck.